Okay, now we have completed exercise 2.3 yesterday, so we'll start with exercise 2.4 now. Okay, so in 2.4, question number 1, if the polynomial az cube plus 4z square plus 3z minus 4 and z cube minus 4z plus a leave the same remainder when divided by z minus 3, find the value of a. That means if you substitute the value of z from z minus 3 equals to 0, that means z is equals to 3 in polynomial first as well as in polynomial second, the answer will be same. Answer means the remainder will be same. That means whatever the answer is coming after substituting the value of z from z minus 3 equals to 0, you will get the same number. Okay, so here you have given two polynomial. Here you have given two polynomial. Suppose the first polynomial is p of z and the second polynomial is, just write this one, az cube plus 4z square minus 3z and minus 4, right? And another polynomial is g of z,
plus 3z.
plus 3z minus 4. Okay, okay, beta. And the second one is z cube minus 4z plus a. So here it is given that p of 3 z, p of 3 is equals to z of 3, right? Then 3 आएगा यहाँ पे, just a minute. P of 3 is equals to z of 3, it is given in the question. That means if you substitute z is equals to 3 in P of z, and if you substitute the value of z as 3 in g of z, we'll get the same remainder. That means after solving we'll get the same answer. So just substitute the value now. So P of 3 यहाँ पे रखेंगे तो it will be a into 3 whole cube plus 4 into 3 whole square plus 3 into 4 minus 4 is equals to 3 whole cube minus 4 into 3 plus a. This statement is clear to everyone.
Yes.
Then here 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27. It is 27a plus 3 3 are 9, 9 4 are 36 plus 3 4 are 12 minus 4 is equals to 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27 minus 4 3 are 12 plus a. Now take this 27a and a at one side and take the other value to the other side. Before that, just simplify this one. If you simplify this one, you will get 27a. See, 36 plus 12 or 12 minus 4 is 8, and 36 plus 8
Sir,
is how?
plus 12 minus 12.
What beta?
Plus 12 minus 12 कट हो जाएगा.
Plus 12 minus 12 नहीं कट होगा. If there are plus 12 on both sides, then and only then it will be cancel out. ये प्लस हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो 36 plus 12 is how much? 48, and 48 minus 4 is 44. करेक्ट, यहाँ पे 44 आएगा. ये क्लियर है सबको? And here 27 minus 12, 27 minus 12 is how much? 15 plus a. Now if you further simplify this one, you will get 27a minus a is equals to 15 minus 44. So 27 minus a is 26a, and that is equals to 44 minus 15. कितना आएगा? 14 minus 5, 9, and 3, 3 minus 1, 2, right now 29. So a is equals to 29 by 26. A is equals to 29 by 26. कुछ गलत किया होगा तो पता नहीं. Just check it once whether it is correct or not. Just check it. Equation सही लिखा है हमने. az cube plus 4z square plus 3z minus 4 is correct. z cube minus 4z plus a leaves the same remainder 3 है, तो a into 3 into 3 into 3 plus 4 into 3 into 3 plus minus, सही है। 3 3 9 3 27 है, 3 3 9 4 36, 3 4 12 and 4, and here 3 3 9 3 27, 4 3 12 and plus a, सही है। 27a as it is, 36 plus 12 is 48, 48 minus 4 is 44, 27 minus 12, 7 minus 2 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1, correct, and 44 minus 15, 14 minus 5 is 9, and 3 minus 1 is 2, correct है, so just note it down, and if anybody have any confusion then they can ask the question. Now move to the question number 2. The polynomial p of x when divided by x plus 1 leaves the remainder 19. That means if you substitute the value of x as minus 1 in the given polynomial, the answer will be 19. Then find the value of a, and if you find the value of a, also find the remainder 20 divided by x plus 2. So first of all, what you have to do, just substitute the value of x that is given here. X plus 1 is equals to 0, therefore x is equals to what? Minus 1. Also it is given, also here p of minus 1 is given how much? 19. If you substitute x equals to minus 1 in the given polynomial, the answer will be 19. It is given. Now substitute the value of x as minus 1. It will be minus 1 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into minus 1 square, then minus a into minus 1 minus 7 is equals to 19. And if you simplify this one, you will get the value of a. If you simplify this,
Sir, CA.
yes beta, what happened?
Sir, AX plus 3A.
Ax plus ba?
3A.
Okay, 3a is there. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Thank you. Plus 3a, right now?
Sir, AX plus 3A both is there.
Ax plus 3a. Sorry. Yeah. That means this one is correct. We have to add one more term, right now? Ax
Yes, sir. Before
minus ax
minus 7.
here plus 3a. Correct, na? Now,
Yes.
minus 1 to the power 4 is 1. And this minus 1 cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Correct? And this is minus 1 square is 1. 1 3s are 3 plus 3. And this is plus a plus 3a minus 7 is equals to 19. Now it is equals to what? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Right? 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 minus 7 is minus 1. And 3a plus a, 4a. 4a minus 1 is equals to how much? 19.
19.
Therefore, 4a is equals to 20. And therefore, a is equals to how much? 5. The value of a is 5. Therefore, this polynomial, ये जो polynomial है p of x, it will be what? Therefore, p of x is nothing but it is x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5a plus 3a minus 7. Clear? And if you further simplify this one, you will get x to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square, and this minus plus is minus, minus 2a minus 7. Now we have to find the remainder when it is divided by x plus 2. Therefore, we have to find p of
Sir, it is not 5A.
it is what?
Sir, AX is there.
I have taken 5a. Beta, but the value of a is 5 now. We have find the value of a as 5. I have substituted the value of a as 5. Is it clear? And here, oh sorry, yeah. यहाँ पे 5a होगा और यहाँ पे चेंज हो जाएगा, राइट? ये यहाँ पे भी तो एक ही वैल्यू रखेंगे. 5a is clear? Just a minute.
नो
So
सर 5x आता है ना.
Sir, 5x.
it will come 5x, right. And here it is 5 3s are 15, right now? Plus 5 3s are 15 minus 7. It is clear now, no? It will be what? X to the power 4 minus 2x cube plus 3x square minus 5x, and 15 minus 7 is what?
8.
8.
8. Now we have to find the value of, therefore,
X plus 2.
p of minus 2. Therefore, we have to find the value of p of minus 2. Minus 2 to the power 4 minus 2 into minus 2 the power 2 to the power 3 plus 3 into minus 2 square minus 5 into minus 2 plus 8. It will be 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, and here plus 16. 2 to the 4 to the 8 minus minus is plus 16. Here 2 to the 4, 4 3 is 12 plus 12 plus 5 2s are 10 and plus 8. Add all the values. 16 2s are 32, 32 plus 20. See, 12 plus
64. 62.
62 the 32, 32 plus 20. 32 plus 20 is how much? 42, 52. 52 plus 10, 62. करेक्ट? नहीं आ रहा है तो यहाँ पे ऐड कर लो. 16 plus 16 plus 12 plus 10 plus 8. 6 2s are 12, 13 14, 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8 22. 2 carry 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Correct? Therefore, if you divide this by x plus 2, the remainder will be 62. Is that clear?
Yes.
Write it. Okay, now moving to the question number 3. Question number 3, it is given that if x minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2 are factors of this px square plus 5x plus r, then you have to show that p equals to r. That means here it is given that p of 2 is equals to p of 1 by 2. Why? Because if you substitute, as this x minus 2 is a factor, that means if you substitute x equals to 2, this whole polynomial will become 0. That means यदि x की वैल्यू आप 2 रखोगे तो ये पूरा का पूरा 0 होगा, और 1 by 2 रखोगे तो भी 0 होगा, मतलब दोनों का रिमाइंडर सेम आएगा. We can equate p of 2 is equals to p of minus 2. Now just substitute the value of x as 2 and 1 by 2. If you substitute x is equals to 2, it will be what? P into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equals to what? P into 1 by 2 whole square plus 5 into 1 by 2 plus r, right? And if you further simplify this one, it is 2 to the 4p plus 5 2s are 10 plus r is equals to what? 1 by 4 means p by 4 here plus 5 by 2 plus r. करेक्ट? तो दोनों साइड में r तो इक्वल है तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा, एंड आफ्टर सिंप्लीफाइंग दिस वन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ p. तो p की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी, देन इससे अच्छा एक काम करो, आप दो इक्वेशन बना लो एंड देन सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ पी एंड आर एट द सेम टाइम, यू विल गेट द सेम वैल्यू, ऐसे भी आ जाएगा। ओके, सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको। इफ यू सिंप्लीफाई दिस वन, दिस आर विल बी कैंसल आउट, जस्ट वेट, एंड दिस 4p minus p by 4 is equals to 5 by 2 minus 10. This much is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
And if you simplify this one, you will get what? 4 4 the 16p minus p upon 4 is equals to 5 minus 5 10 to the 20 upon 2. It will be what? 15p by 2 is equals to minus 15 by 2. Sorry,
15p by 4.
15p by 4 uh, is equals to minus 15 by 2. So this 15 and 15 is cancel out, right now? And this 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. That means the value of p will be what? Minus 2. This much is clear.
Yes.
Now p की value हमारी आ गई. Now we can find the value of r also. So now we know that suppose I have taken this first one. We know that p of 2 is 0, right now. If you substitute the value of p here in this one, p of 2 is 0. Therefore we know the value of p. तो p की जगह पे यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे -2 into 2 square plus 5 into 2 plus r is equals to 0. Now we have the value of p. Just I have substituted the p as -2 here. It will be 2 2 4 2 8 -8 plus 5 2 10. Correct. Plus r is equals to 0. If you simplify this one, you will get 2 plus r is equals to 0 and r is equals to -2 here. So this is first equation and this is second equation. We can say from first and second. Therefore, from first and second we have p is equals to r is equals to -2. That's why we can say that p equals to r. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Just copy it in recording. Now moving to the question number 4. In question number 4, we have identified whether this x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of this one or not, this first polynomial, but we are not supposed to divide it without dividing. Without dividing, what we can do, we can factorize this one, this x square minus 3x plus 2. If you factorize this one, you will get the two values of this x, right ना? इसको मैं factorize करूंगा तो x की दो वैल्यू आएगी, वो दोनों वैल्यू इसका फैक्टर होगा, right? If you factorize this one, you will get x square. Just a minute. This can be written as x square minus 2x minus x, right? And plus 2. This is x. X is common from this first and second term. Inside there will be x minus 2. And this minus 1 is common from here. Inside there will be x minus 2. Therefore, x minus 2 and x minus 1. Therefore, x is equals to either 2 or x is equals to 1. Now, if you substitute x equals to 2 in the given one, the answer will be 0. Now, find p of 2 and p of 1. So, p of 2 find karoge, so you will get 2 into 2 to the power 4 minus 5 into 2 to the power 3 plus 2 into 2 square minus 2 plus 2. Correct? ये minus 2 plus 2 तो cancel हो गया, ये 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 16 2 जा 32, ये 8 8 5 जा 40, 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8 5 जा 40 minus 40 plus 2 2 जा 4 2 जा 8, तो 40 minus 40 0 हो गया. Therefore, we can say that this x minus 2 is a factor of this one. Similarly, also we have p of 1. If you substitute p of x as 1, then you will get what? 2 into 1 to the power 4 minus 5 into 1 cube plus 2 into 1 square minus 2, sorry minus 1 plus 2. इसको भी आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो you'll get 0 only. तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 1 plus 2. It will be what? 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 and 5 1 6. 6 minus 6 is 0, right now? So therefore x minus 2 and x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. इनका मल्टीप्लिकेशन भी फैक्टर होगा. Therefore x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1, यार यहाँ पे आ रहेगा the factor of 2 is the factor of p of x. Hence we can write, if you multiply this one, you'll get x square minus 3x plus 2 is a factor of p of x. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So write it and try to solve this last 4 questions if you can. Otherwise, we will solve that in the next class.